Hi guys, welcome back to another review. This is Oil Tanker Driver 3D. So I've already played this through. You're going to be seeing lots of this game, but this is the review section. So I'll show you the beginner level. So I've already unlocked all the trucks. You can do this on one playthrough on any difficulty. You have to be pretty bad at this game not to be able to do that. So go in. It's nothing glamorous, this game. It can be a lot of fun depending on what you're looking for. The problem is the music is the same music all the way through. Hope you're enjoying it.
Let's test your reverse driving abilities. Attach the oil tanker using reverse parking to the truck.
So, forwards and reverse. Bit of a tutorial practicing skills. Okay, touch control. Engine on. Away we go. Nice and easy to control. Slam it in reverse. Ooh. And this level's pretty much over. Bit of handbrake to slow it down. Go back slowly. Oops. As you can see, basic gameplay, forward, reverse. A few little bits of the trucks. Nothing too over the top, nothing too sophisticated. Good laugh. Great graphics. Not the greatest graphics I've ever seen, but it's a lot of fun. Downside is the gameplay is a bit repetitive. So this is really the first mission I'm doing now. But a lot of the missions are repeats, just different locations. But well worth playing if you're into a truck game and not taking it too seriously. You just boot it all the way around. Don't have to slow down, don't have to obey traffic laws. So it's a good game. I'm going to give it 2 stars though. Unfortunately, music gets a bit repetitive, as does the gameplay. But please check out. It's available on Android. And I'm currently playing this on a mobile phone, so I'll quickly show you the end of this level. And I'll let you make up your own mind. You're going to be seeing a lot more of this game as we do a full playthrough. And then we're going to be doing some truck simulator as well. So here we go, end of the level. So bear with us on this channel. Till next time, stay safe, keep gaming.